Hello and welcome back. Susan Zumo here, intuitive and originator of soul patterning harmonics. This week's message comes from my higher self, one of my favorite Galactics. So this week's message was for me as well. This week's message is about change. Young souls believe that change happens to them, that they must navigate the changes coming at them from out of the blue and disrupting life. Young souls can become victims of change, and depending upon their nature, will accept change, make adjustments, and move on, or resent the change and fight it every step of the way through. They pray for change to make things better, or pray that change never comes again and life stays as is. Old souls understand that they have instigated change, either consciously or unconsciously, through their desires, beliefs, emotions, and thoughts. They may still be surprised at how change manifests in their life, but will pause to examine their role in creating the shift that's occurring. For them, change may be the result of old patterns or from establishing new patterns within self. Next steps in personal growth and healing can follow. Now, some changes grow out of the collective consciousness of humanity, and these can bring positive changes if humanity increases its ability to love and live in harmony. If the consciousness of humanity is mired in fear and separation, unpleasant changes will manifest. We are not isolated in our own little world separate from others. Lifting our own spirit supports and co-creates positive, loving change with everyone in the same frequency. A tipping point of majority rules frequency is created, and a grand shift takes place. This is ascension. Another layer of frequency is the evolutionary path of the planet as it ascends. We are called upon to shift our frequency into higher octaves as the planet moves through its ascension. We can remain in balance and harmony with the progression of the planet through increased love of self, along with a strong focus on the light. More light in the body equals greater acceleration through the ascension process. Wonderful, unexpected blessings bring positive changes in the body, emotions, and daily life. Imbalance and trouble follow if we resist the pull of elevated frequencies by holding on to fear. Disruptions in the body, the emotions, and life events follow. We are now out of harmony with the flow of life, and victims once again. The learning for young souls and the remembrance for old souls is that we can shift from victim to co-creator at any time through conscious choice. Choose to hold the vision of the world we wish to see for ourselves and those we love. Choose to know that change is an opportunity to bring us one step closer to that vision. Choose to let go of something no longer needed, or to learn a new way of approaching life, or to care and love self more than ever before. Choose to believe that each change made within will create a new and brighter vista of experience without. Choose to welcome a miracle into your life every day. Remember, we are supremely loved. You are supremely loved by God, Creator, Source. Knowing that, we can embrace and navigate any change with awareness and hope. This is a big topic, and each person brings their own history and consciousness to every change in their life. As we move through the shift from fear to love, dark to light, control to freedom, and separation to oneness, I'll come back to this topic with more from the Galactics. Until next time, Be gentle and loving with yourself. Many, many blessings.